In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write multiple lines in one cell in Google Sheets on desktop. Whether you're organizing addresses, making a short list, or keeping notes neatly together, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Sheets and double-click the cell where you want to type. Double-clicking puts the cell into edit mode, which is important because you need to be typing inside the cell for this to work. If there's already text in the cell, click directly within it to place your cursor exactly where you want the next line to begin. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, move your cursor to the exact spot where you want the line break. Think of it like positioning your cursor in a document before starting a new paragraph. If you're adding text at the end, just click after the last character. If you're inserting a line in the middle, click between the two characters where the new line should start. Now comes the key step. To create a new line inside the same cell, press Alt+Enter on Windows or Option+Enter on a Mac. You'll see the cursor jump to a new line within the cell, not to the cell below. This is different from pressing Enter alone, which normally moves you to the next cell down. Using this shortcut keeps everything neatly inside one cell. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your cell is in edit mode and your cursor is positioned correctly before using the shortcut. Doing this beforehand saves time and prevents accidentally moving to the next cell. Once you've created the new line, continue typing your text. Each time you want another line, repeat the same shortcut Alt+Enter on Windows or Option+Enter on Mac. You can add as many lines as you need, and they'll all stay within the same cell, stacked neatly one under the other. Once you're done, click anywhere outside the cell to save your multi-line text. After that, you should be able to see your information clearly without changing the layout of your sheet. It's also a good idea to adjust the row height if needed so all your lines are visible. Taking this extra step ensures everything stays tidy and easy to read. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to write multiple lines in one cell in Google Sheets quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, share it with others who might be organizing data. Why not make someone's spreadsheet life easier today?